Hi guys and welcome to the C tutorial. In this tutorial we will learn how to solve an equation using the C code. So let's begin. Here on the very first line I am writing the task name as comment and which is solve equation, and since in this lab we are dealing with the integer data type, so here I am mentioning it integer data type. And now let's say that we have to solve an equation where we have four variables. So here I am writing a random equation a is equal to bx plus c square. So let's write the code for it. First I am going to include the standard input output library. So I have written hash include stdio.h, and after that here I am writing the main function, and in these curly brackets I am writing here return 0. And since this int main is our main function, so here I am adding a comment in forward slash main function. Writing comments in code is always an optional step, but this is a good practice to write the comments within the code. So first we always define the variable. So here I'm writing comment, I'm defining the variables here, and since we have four different variables used in the equation mentioned above, so I'm writing a, b, c and x. I have added commas in between these variables, and at the end of line we always have to write the semicolon because this is the syntax of the C code. So as per the equation, only a variable has to be unknown. All of the other variables should have to be assigned some value. So I have assigned b is equal to 5, c is equal to 3 and x is equal to 4. And now let's write the code to solve the equation. So here I'm writing a is equal to, and since b and x has to be multiplied with each other, and then there is a plus sign, and since we have to multiply c with c again to get a c square, that's why I have added a static sign between them. And since b and x has to be multiplied with each other, so we have to add a static operator here as well in order to get the multiplication. And now in order to get the result displayed in the terminal, I am writing this line printf the value of a is, and since we are dealing with integer data type, so I have written %d and I have written comma a. Now let's run this code, and as you can see the value of a has been displayed in the terminal. If you want to update the value of b, c and x within the code and then you run the code, you will get the updated value of a in the terminal. So that's all for this video guys. See you in the next video.